Hi guys! First tutorial of 2019. Still a bit difficult to, adapt to that. Instead of saying 2018, we have to say 2019. It's the same thing. It's the same, gig every year. But I'm starting out in my Monster High series, and this is Kiyomi Haunterly. She is the daughter of the no-faced ghost. So she was pretty difficult actually to really, what can you say, create, because you have to figure out what is. I can't just paint my face, what is it, purplish blue, and then just white and white out contacts, and I don't have white out contacts though. But I thought, okay, I'm taking inspiration from her colors instead. That's a bit of pale blue and pinks and purples, and then I also added some gray. And if you can, maybe you can see the hue with my brows. It's actually a blue color, so yeah. And then the lips are such a muted purple, and then we have just highlighted to the far off galaxies, because we know ghosts, they can be transparent, a bit shiny. So yes, this is how I came up with Kiyomi. So if you want to see how I do this look, then keep on watching. Guys, let's get to it. First of all, we're starting with the prime. I'm taking the Maybelline Master Prime. It is a good primer. It's a good primer. Now that I've tried it for a long time now, I just found out it is actually really good once you've passed that phase where it turns liquid and you shake it up. That is actually a good primer. I like a little bit of a, what can you call it, a cream? Not that it doesn't have that, what do call it, collagen or, silicone feeling. It doesn't have the silicone feeling. Not collagen, but silicone. It's not like a silicone. Concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser in Ivory. Like that. Away with them bags. Highlighting. Just gonna blend it up with a foundation brush, and this is by BH Cosmetics. Yes, I know it needs to be cleaned, but that is just the life of any girl and woman. You never have time to cleanse your brushes, but you need to make time to do it. I'm going to take my foundation stick by Makeup Revolution. The text is almost gone. Proves how much I'm using it. This is in F1. The first base stick foundation. I love it. I have a backup. This is how much I love it. I'm gonna take one little stripe more, and then always remember down the neck, because the neck is part of the face. And then I'm gonna blend it out with my buffing brush by Real Techniques. I'm gonna set my face using my e.l.f. HD powder in Sheer. I love this powder so much. It's in my top 3 list of all the powders I love, because it makes my skin feel silky smooth. Just gonna dab this on. I'm just gonna do my brows off camera, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics 8 Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using this blue right there, and my Real Techniques eyebrow brush, and then I'm just gonna set them in place with my NYX Control Free eyebrow gel, and then I will be back. Alright guys, I went ahead and also did the right side of my face, including my right eye, so now we're just going to do the left eye, and taking my eye primer, my NYX, blend that out. And just as I showed you before, I'm using my BH Cosmetics Matte Eye Shadow Palette and also the Shimmer Palette. Taking my crease brush by BH, and I'm starting out with a basic taupe color for my transition. Like that. And also to the lower lash line. With the same brush, I'm taking this dark gray, really loading it up. That will be on top of the transition color. Like I said, I'm staying in the purple, light purples and pinks and blues and also grays because we want that ghostly look appearance. After all, this is just an inspired one. Yeah, and also on the lower lash line with the grey. Now I'm taking the shimmer palette and my Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm starting out with this shimmer blue. Very light, and I'm just applying it to my inner third of the eye. Really packing it on because we want to see it. Using the same brush, I am taking this shimmer pink and applying it right on the middle of the eye. Just like with the blue, I'm packing it on. Going back to the matte eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this matte indigo color. It's sometimes it reflects purple, sometimes it reflects blue, but we're taking that color. And then I want a bit of a cut line. I'm just gonna take my crease brush and then I'm just gonna use this as a tool to map out my border where it can't go down. Now I'm going inside the crease with this color too. And also a bit on the lash line, like that. Now I'm taking my blending brush, IBH. Just blend that crease color and blend the indigo with the pink and the pink with the blue. And if you feel like you're losing some of the color, then you're just gonna add more on. Taking the gray shadow again that I used before and the crease brush, I'm just gonna add more to the lower lash line. And then for highlight, I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Cottage Cheese for my brow bone and inner corner. And I'm just blending it out with my finger. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm taking my NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black and applying it to my top lash line and winging it out. You could use a white eyeliner, which I also have, but I want you to be able to see my eyes, so I'm taking a black because I also want definition. And then for my upper waterline, I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean because I'm almost out of all my black eyeliners, so I'm using this. And then for my lower waterline, I'm taking the Max Factor Kohl Pencil in Charcoal Grey, more grey. And then we curl the lashes and apply the NYX Worth the Hype Waterproof Mascara, and then I will be back. Moving on to the rest of the face, I'm taking my NYX Blush in Taupe and my contour brush. I'm just gonna have a little bit of contour. Just so we have a little bit of definition, not too much. After all, Kiyomi is a ghost. Then for blush, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in Hot Spice, and I'm taking this purple blush. It has a bit of a sheen to it, so we get that ghostly appearance. It's more like a highlighter, but it also has that blush effect to it. And for highlighter, I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost Highlighter in Ice Cold. A lot goes a long way. Dang. Then we can be seen. A little bit on the nose. Getting that ghostly look. And for lips, I'm taking the e.l.f. Matte Lip Color in Tea Rose. It has such a purple undertone, so let's put this on. Then final touch, I'm gonna set it all with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in Rose. So let's go. And now we're done with Kiyomi Haunterly. Actually turned out alright, I would say, because she was a bit difficult when I initially researched her, and just like, okay, she's just no face and just purple and purple blue and white, so we really needed to, yeah, think creatively. How can we do this as inspiredly as we can do? So, but it came out alright, I think. I think this is how she would look if we could see her face, all her colors and all that. But she's a ghost, so they are pretty transparent, so yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So remember to subscribe, comment, and like this video if you liked it. It really helps me a lot. And then you can follow me on all my social medias and check my blog out. And then I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!